why Java developers, they are in a steady race of upgrading their skills, right? So what skills are required, how to become a Java developer, what are the skills, what are the benefits of being a developer? That is what the agenda will be today. Thus the future, of Java, it looks bright. If you're going to talk about how the times have changed, but Java has stayed as it is. It's the language which people have pursued for more than, decades and decades that have come up. So, the future of Java, it looks bright, showing us that there will be a strong demand for Java programming professionals, like you can say for full stack Java developers for the foreseeable future. So we are going to look at the roadmap for 2023 and how to best leverage the Java knowledge into an exciting and lucrative career. Okay. So that is what is the agenda for our today. So before we can explore everything, let's see, I've introduced you to the agenda, how to become a Java developer, the developer roadmap, which is there, and what are the duties. And then there'll be some benefits, the career options that you can go for in Java development that we'll be discussing today, right? Now, what is Java? It's enough about, we are talking about Java. But what is Java, right? Anyone who can tell me what is Java? You're talking about becoming programmers, right? Java programmers. But what do we understand by Java? Anyone who can type it down? So, okay. So, developers, we have been using Java programming language to develop software and mobile applications. So it's a programming language which helps you to develop softwares, applications, it even helps in web apps and so. So in the early, in 1990s, Java was first conceptualized, right? If you remember, it was called the Green Team. And the team, you could say the one person who was behind all of this was James Gosling. It was, part of that team. And later it became, James Gosling, he became the father of Java, right? Because of his contribution towards this programming language. Now, Gosling was an engineer and he was an engineer at Sun Microsystems. So earlier Java used to belong to Sun Microsystems. Now it belongs to which company? Oracle, right? It's a subsidiary. So he developed Java and it was initially designed to be, there are simple features of Java, which are like, it's simple, it's robust, portable, then, platform independent, it's secure, it provides high performance, it's multi-threaded nature or architecture, you could say. It's interpreted in dynamic language. So many modern programming languages which came after that, such as, JavaScript or Scala, PHP, it has evolved, from Java since its 1995 release. So one of the most prominent, or you could say the popular programming language is still Java. It's still in use. It's still, in hype, you could say. It's not going anywhere. And in the foreseeable future, it's going to stay for a very long time. So there are currently, many editions of Java, which are like 4 editions. One is your Java card. It's used for, creating programs for devices with limited processing capability, something like your ATM cards or SIM cards. And you have standard edition, which is to create programs for servers and desktops. You have micro editions, the ME, which is for mobile devices like your iOS or Android. And you have enterprise edition, which is for large scale applications. So there are 4 different kind of editions of Java for different types of applications that can help you to build. Okay. So that is something very brief about Java, means how it started, who brought it in, and what's the whole process of it. And then the next is, who is a Java developer? We know about Java, right? Java is this. Now, who is a Java developer? Exactly, right? So Java developer, they understands a website's client side. The client side is front end and back end.